Hey guys, today I've got a Samsung electric dryer. It's the multi-steam moisture sensor edition, and it has tons of different options. You've got sensor dry, then this designates the steam cycles here. Tons of options. You can pause and read through all those if you want. But essentially, we'll definitely do the job of getting your clothes dry. And let's see here. I've got it plugged in. Just kind of show you around. It's got a nice LED light on the inside. You've got your lint trap right here. Go ahead and close that up and power it on. And let's see. Let's set this over to time dry, high heat. Not exactly sure what that is, but we'll let it run for just a second. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So I've got a surface temperature gun here. Right in between those two red dots there, it takes a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 78 degrees on the top of the dryer. See, if I move it to the floor, you get a little different reading. So here in just a sec, we'll shoot that inside the dryer. And I always do a video like this before I sell anything. That way you know what you're coming to pick up in fact works like it's supposed to. When you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. That's how I like to shop and spend my money, so that's how I like to list and sell my items. So we'll go ahead and open this up. All right, and the heating element tube there, you can see plenty of heat coming out there. Now that in turn, this tube back here runs down, and the heating element's like down in there, and the heat runs up through here, cycles, and then goes out right here. So the airflow is up and then down through here. So that's why it's super important to make sure you keep this clean every time you do a load. The inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have your heat setting at up here. And then if I didn't mention it, never touch that grill back in there. Obviously, it's not something, I want to touch that, but it can get up to 250, 300 degrees. But like I said, the inside of your dryer with your clothes doesn't get that hot. But it can. That little grate back there can get really hot and discolor a little bit over time. But this dryer is in like new condition. Sounds great, nice smooth operation. And then if you wanted steam cycles, you'd put it on here and it kind of auto does its steam thing. So that's going to be it on this guy. I'll go ahead and get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.